Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. So today we're going to be doing something different. Today we're going to be doing like a haul, tutorial, review type of video for makeup that is under $5. Now you probably think I'm crazy, like where did you get makeup for $5? It's possible. So right now I'm currently in the States, and in the States they have this store called Five Below, and Five Below is like literally anything under $5. They have clothes, they've got like shoes, toys, arts and crafts, candy, like whatever, they've got it. You can find some interesting things in there, and one of the things that you can find is makeup. Now this makeup isn't really like high brand makeup, it's just like some of it is smaller brand type of makeup, some things that I've never even heard of. Now I've tried their makeup before, and there are some things that I like, and obviously there's some things that, you know, obviously that I didn't really like. But I went again and I brought some stuff, but I think I brought about 3 things. So we're gonna review them and show you guys how they work, and keep on watching to see the next video on all the stuff that I got. So the first thing that I got is from Profusion Cosmetics. I've tried Profusion Cosmetics before. I've tried their cream contour. I think we have it in Canada as well. So I've tried their cream contours, and I actually have this bad boy right here that I use this religiously. Now I didn't get this at Five Below, I got this at Marshall's, and I use this for a lot of my makeup transformations. If I'm turning myself into another person, I use this for that, and I use this for my everyday look. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this as well for like this eye. I'm going to do like a half eye, half of, you know, some of the stuff from Five Below, and then just maybe 2 things from Marshall's and I think TJ Maxx. I got something while in the States at TJ Maxx. So yeah, so I got this from Profusion. I really like this. So when I saw this thing right here, I obviously wanted to try it out. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you what it is. It's got, I think, 9 shades right here. So I'm just gonna open this up so you can see. Oh, the picture fell. So these are all the 9 shades that they have. I've kind of tested it out a little bit, and I didn't hate it too much. I actually liked it. So I'm gonna show you on this eye this type of makeup, and I'm just gonna go through it and see which colors I want to pick out. So I'm just going to like pick colors from here, here, and here, kind of making like a smoky eye effect in my outer corner of my eye, and then bringing it in. So we're gonna see how this looks and how well this this one works under $5. So right now I'm blending this all in, and as you can see, I feel like there's a lot of pigment here. So I'm going to be making kind of like a smoky eye. And then over here, I'm just going to use kind of like a shimmer shade from my other Profusion Cosmetics that I got from Marshall's. So yeah, so I'm just going to blend this kind of all in. And I think it's actually, this one I really like, because this one, the color is actually showing through, like you can see it. I do gotta blend the heck out of this though. So yeah, so this is actually going on nicely. I really like Profusion Cosmetics. Like I haven't had any problems with them with the previous palette that I've had. So this one I feel like it's going nicely. Take a for Profusion Cosmetics, this shimmer shade right here, and then one from my other palette from them that I got at Marshall's, and I'm just gonna apply this to my lid, and I'm gonna use my fingers to do this because I can't find my lid brush anywhere. I'm traveling, so I don't remember if I brought it or not, so I'm just gonna use my hands. Sometimes your hands work better than the brush, so yeah, so let's see how that works. So I see that it's actually going on really nicely. If you can kind of see it on the camera, the shade, it does look nice. I don't think I'm gonna need the other palette, but I think it's kind of going on really nicely. So the next thing that we have is this. This is kind of an contour, eyeshadow, as well as your eyebrows, kind of all in one. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is kind of cute, like an iridescent kind of glow to it. So you open it up right here, and here you have the eyeshadows, you have the eyebrow for your eyebrows, and then here you have the contour, and then right in here you have a brush for your eyebrows. So right now we're going to use this on this side of the makeup, and I'm just going to just fill in the eyebrows and then contour, and then on this side I'm going to use for this eye makeup. So right now I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. Now my eyebrows are kind of dark and already look like they're filled in because they're so dark, and so I don't need a whole lot to fill in my eyebrows, so I'm just going to use a little bit here. Now with this eyebrow kind of powder, I think it's okay if you want to, like, I don't know, like if for somebody who has like less eyebrow, maybe it's not the best thing for it. Like, it's just little things here and there. I don't think it would do like the job really, but I just think it would, you know, for little things here and there properly. So I'm putting in the color about right here, and I think it's going on nicely, but like I said, it's not as pigmented. And I don't know if eyebrow, you know, powders are as pigmented, but some things are different. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit here. And yeah. So right now I'm gonna take the contour. Here I'm gonna use these contour shades over here and just apply this over here. Now I don't have my contour brush, I forgot it, so I have to use this powder brush. I know that's horrible, but it's the only thing that I have right now, so I'm just going to use that and sweep it under here and kind of see how that works. Right now, I'm just going to apply the contour, and I think that it's going on nicely. Like, there are some contour shades that, like, you put it on and, like, it's already showing on there, right? This one, I think it's nice. You go on, you just got to blend it out. I should have brought my contour brush, but instead I brought this. And yeah, I think it goes on nice, and I actually like this. For under $5, it's not bad. So I'm just gonna apply it. So right now I have this Tracy highlighting. Now I bought this at Marshall's. This has nothing to do with Five Below. This is what it comes in. You have different shades, and I like it, and it comes with a brush. So I'm just gonna apply this and apply this in my highlighting area, and then maybe bring it up to my temples. So this has nothing to do with Five Below, but I like it, so I decided to share this with you guys. So I have a bit of highlighter on my nose. Now another thing that they had were these iridescent highlighters, so I'm just going to apply this to my nose area, and just, as you can see, like, the highlight's pretty good. So I'm just going to apply it down in the middle of my nose. I'm just going to blend this a bit. And you can kind of see the glow here. So this one is also from Five Below as well. I purchased this maybe last year. Yeah, and it's really nice. So at least it does give a bit of a glow. The eyeshadows here, I'm just going to use some of the brown eyeshadows, and then I'm just going to apply this to this other lid. I'm just doing a half, like one eye different than the other eye, so I can kind of show you both how some of. So the brown actually comes out really nicely, and it's very subtle, and I actually really like how it's kind of coming out. Not too crazy. So I'm then going to use the darkest shade right here, and then apply this into the outer corner. And I'm going to use like a blending brush and just blend it in, and I actually really like how this is coming out. Like, for under $5, this is not too bad in my opinion. Like, obviously you can get better, but it's not too bad. So with my other Profusion Cosmetics palette that I got from Marshall's, I'm going to just use a shimmer shade right here and just apply this into my eyelid. That is the look. So the last is the lips. So here I have Perfect Pout, like I said, $5. So here it comes with some iridescent lipsticks, and then here it comes with kind of liners. Now personally, I kind of tested this out beforehand. I kind of cheated. Don't like these. They look awful. In my opinion, they look awful. These, however, look really nice if you have it over a lipstick. So I'm going to show you what they look like. And yeah, but like these, I'm not a fan of them. I'm just going to put that out there. Wasn't a fan of them. They just look not the best. These shades are right here. I personally like this one right here. So I'm just going to put lipstick on and put this over it. I don't know if you can kind of see it a little bit, like with the lighting, I'm not sure, but it does look like it goes on nicely and I do like it. I'm just gonna show you a different shade, more of the kind of like the whiter shades. This here is this color right here. Off camera you can definitely see it. It's kind of fun, like if you want to do something different, I like it. I lowered the lighting on here so you can maybe see it a little bit better. So that's what it looks like. Now the liners, don't like. I've tested them out. They look awful. I would never put them on my lips. I think that for me, if I'm doing outlining of certain like special effects type makeup, I might use that to map things out because it's pigmented like that, but not for your lips, in my opinion. Don't like it. But yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like. And that's my Five Below haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. All the stuff that I got was great. I personally like them. Everyone has their differences though. I would go to Five Below again to try to test out some of their makeups. In Canada, we don't have a Five Below. So when I come to the States, I get a chance to go there and see what they got. And overall, the stuff that I got, I actually enjoyed it. The only thing I didn't like was the lip liners. That's the only thing I didn't like, but overall everything else I actually liked how it came out. So keep on watching for some new videos, and thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.